I bought 1.5 kilograms of black grapes and white grapes. I will clean the grapes from the stem. I cleaned the grapes and now I'm going to wash them. I wash the lemon with bicarbonate of soda and will cut it into rings. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will fill a 700 milliliter jar with grapes. Now I'm going to put the lemon slices. Add to your taste. I add 2 cloves. I continue to fill the jar with grapes. This is what a filled jar looks like, and I fill another jar in the same way. I add 1 tablespoon of sugar to each jar. Filling a jar with water. Close the jars with clean and new lids. I will do the pasteurization. I put a kitchen towel on the bottom of the pan and arrange the jars. I pour water up to the height of the lid. From the moment the water boils, I pasteurize it for 20 minutes. Pasteurization is complete. And now I'm going to take out the jars. Let the jars cool and store in a dark place until ready to use. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you. I will show you how to preserve fresh grapes for a long period of time. First, I will wash it and clean it from the stems. I will wash the cleaned grapes once more. Now I need clean and wash jars. I will fill the jars with grapes. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Do not fill the jars to the top. We fill the other jars in the same way. I filled the jars with grapes and I need lemon juice. I add a tablespoon of lemon juice to each jar. Lemon juice protects the contents of the jar from botulism. Botulism does not develop in an acidic environment. I pour cold water into the jars to cover the grapes. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan down on the stove. I'll cover it. From the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 20 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 70 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes of pasteurization, I will leave the jars to gradually cool in water. When the jars cool down, the center part of the lid must sink in. Store the jars in a dark place. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you. I'll show you how to preserve fresh grapes for a longer period of time. First, I'll wash the grapes and remove the stems. Write me in the comments which country you're watching me from. It's nice to know that we're watching each other all over the world. I'll wash the cleaned grapes one more time. Now I need washed and clean jars. I'm going to fill the jars with grapes. I'm going to fill the other jars in the same way. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to each jar. I'm going to pour cold water into the jars to cover the grapes. I'm going to wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean and new lids. We added sugar to the jars because botulism does not grow in a sweet environment. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour cold water into the pot up to the level of the lid. I put the pot on the stove. I'll put the lid on. From the moment the water boils, I'll pasteurize for 20 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 70 degrees Celsius. After pasteurization, leave the jars to cool in the water. When the jars cool, the central part of the lid must sink. Store the jars in a dark place. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.